So OnePlus is here again to launch its new series, the OnePlus 12 series, and we are here to witness the launch. You could see never settle, of course. OnePlus says never settle because they keep on launching and innovating new smartphones. And today is one of that day where we're going to be experiencing the new OnePlus 12 series smartphones. So stay tuned. This is Shruti Sharma and I'm going to be showing you everything that OnePlus is launching today. तो मेरे साथ जुड़िए और OnePlus ने क्या-क्या लॉन्च किया ये सभी आपको मैं बताऊंगी आज ही. So finally, OnePlus launched its OnePlus 12 smartphone and 12R. This is the 12 phone that is with me, OnePlus 12, and we're going to be telling you all details about it. Let's get started. This is the phone and here are the details.
So this is the OnePlus 12 that sports 6.82 inches 2K Pro XDR with a resolution of 3168:1440. It has 510 ppi and supports LTPO technology, which can automatically adjust the refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. OnePlus 12 is also being touted as having the brightest display ever at 4500 nits of peak brightness. It has a punch hole style notch in the front, and the front glass on the phone is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection and Corning Glass 5 on the back. This one comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, which is paired with Adreno 750 GPU and manages all the graphic intensive tasks very smoothly. Also, the OnePlus 12 is supported by the proprietary Trinity engine platform, which is touted to provide a faster and a very smoother experience during intensive gaming session. Talking about the cameras, 50 megapixel primary camera with Sony IMX581 lens, and it supports OIS and EIS both. It has 64 megapixel OmniVision OV64-bit telephoto sensor that supports OIS and EIS and comes with 6x in sensor zoom and 120x digital zoom. It also has 48 megapixel Sony IMX581 ultra wide sensor with 114-degree field of view. For the selfies, it has 32 megapixel of front camera. This one houses 5400 mAh of battery, which can be fast charged via 80 watts of SuperVOOC fast charging and 50 watts of AVOOC wireless charging. Also, the smartphone has 26 minutes of charging from 0 to 100% and 100 watts SuperVOOC wired charger. Talking on the price, OnePlus 12GB 256 is priced at 64,999 and the second variant is 16GB 512, which is priced at 69,999.
So that was the OnePlus 12 for you, and now let's check out another one, that's OnePlus 12R. Let's check out the details. And
now this is OnePlus 12R. This is again a smartphone which is very powerful and has useful features. This one runs Android 14 and has Oxygen OS for smooth performance. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip with 8GB of RAM. It has 6.78 inches of screen with a very high resolution and super fast refresh rate and comes with Corning Gorilla Glass. It has 3 colors, black, iron grey or cool blue. Talking about the camera, so well, it has 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro camera. The front camera has 16 megapixel for great selfies. Talking about the battery, OnePlus 12R houses slightly larger battery than the 12, which is 5500 mAh and charges super quickly with SuperVOOC 100 watts of fast charging. Talking about the variants, so well, the OnePlus 12R comes in 2 variants, 8GB 125, which is priced at rupees 39,999, and the other one is 16GB 256 variant, which is priced at 45,999. Let's tell you that OnePlus 12 would be available on sale from 30th January, and the OnePlus 12R would be available on sale from February 6th onwards. If you want to know more about OnePlus 12 series, do write into comment section और हम आपको बताएंगे कुछ भी आपका सवाल है उसका जवाब. फिलहाल OnePlus 12 सीरीज भारत में लॉन्च हुई, आपको दिखाया हमने उसकी फर्स्ट लुक.